From the rawest material to the deepest black, our process is industrial mastery. Every fiber is transformed.
Our process begins at the source, selecting only the finest, naturally raised cattle. The raw hides arrive at our facility, secured in climate-controlled transport to maintain absolute freshness.
Our modern fleshing machines efficiently strip away any remaining flesh and fatty tissue from the raw hide. The hides enter the liming pits, beginning the essential chemical pre-treatment to soften the fibers and prepare for dehairing. Salt curing is performed on the rough flesh side of the hide, dehydrating and preserving the skin before further processing.
Salt-cured hides are carefully stacked on pallets, ready for their journey to the main tannery operations. Cured hides are moved with care from storage, maintaining their pristine condition for the long process of tanning.
Temperature control and careful logistics ensure the integrity of every raw hide as it moves through the facility. The process of rehydration begins, soaking the hides and preparing them for further chemical refinement. The hides enter large wooden drums for mechanical agitation and chemical treatment, ensuring uniform process application. Rinsing cycles thoroughly clean the hides between chemical stages, maintaining the integrity of the material. Hides exit the liming process, now softened and ready for the critical stages of splitting and tanning. The precision fleshing machine completes the task, ensuring a perfectly clean hide, free of any non-dermal tissue. Dehairing, the final mechanical preparation before the hide is ready for the transformation into leather.
Wringing removes excess moisture, preparing the hide to evenly absorb on the specialized splitting blade.
Precision splitting separates the high-value grain layer from the lower split, determining the final material thickness.
Micro-adjustments ensure the grain layer is sliced to the exact, consistent thickness required for luxury goods.
Setting out stretches the hide to its natural limits, removing wrinkles and creases from the previous processes.
The samming machine presses out excessive water, improving the hide's ability to absorb the essential tanning agents. Post-wringing inspection confirms the hides are prepared for the intensive traditional vegetable tanning process.
Traditional vegetable pit tanning. Hides are slowly immersed for months in natural tannin solutions, transforming them into resilient leather.
Manual stirring is performed by skilled craftsmen to ensure every part of the hide is evenly exposed to the rich, natural tannin.
This cross-section confirms the success of our long vegetable tanning process. A deep, rich penetration with the leather fiber intact.
The long, slow vegetable tanning process is complete. The leather is now rich in color and dense in structure.
The tanned leather is now flattened and dewatered once more, preparing it for retanning and dyeing.
The leather is pressed again to remove excess liquid, ensuring uniform absorption of the next treatment. The retanning and dyeing stage begins inside modern drums.
We use the highest grade aniline dye, mixed to a precise color formula for deep, rich black saturation.
The dye is pumped directly into the processing drum, ensuring a uniform and deep penetration of the fiber.
The dyeing cycle is complete. The leather now possesses a deep, rich black color that is fully set within the material.
The finished color and pliability confirm the success of our specialized dyeing and retanning process. We introduce specialized oils, known as fat liquors, to lubricate the leather fibers for exceptional softness and strength.
The leather is thoroughly rinsed to remove any surface chemicals, ensuring a pristine material for the next stages.
The hides are now stretched and slowly air-dried in a climate-controlled environment, allowing the fibers to stabilize before finishing. Each hide is carefully stretched and clamped to its frame to prevent shrinkage and ensure a perfectly flat, uniform final product.
Hides are conveyed through the heated drying tunnel, where the remaining moisture is rapidly and uniformly removed.
The leather exits the rolling machine, softened and flattened, moving closer to its final aesthetic finish. A manual hand check confirms the leather has achieved the luxurious, supple texture required by our master artisans.
The hide is carefully laid flat for final inspection, preparing the perfect surface for its final finish coat.
A protective top coat is precisely sprayed onto the leather, controlling the final sheen and protecting the deep black color. The leather moves to the final finish. The oil glazing machine will impart a high-gloss, mirror-like surface. Glazing is a high-speed mechanical process that creates the deep luster and uniform shine of our premium box calf leather.
The deep, reflective black finish is a direct result of our specialized glazing, a mar of superior quality.
Every square foot of leather undergoes a meticulous final inspection under clinical light to ensure zero defects.
The natural grain, combined with our signature high-gloss finish, creates a surface worthy of the most demanding luxury products.
The finished leather is carefully rolled onto a core, ready for its protective wrap and transport to the artisan's atelier.
A protective canvas wrap shields the finished leather from any environmental damage during transit.
The final label certifies the material's premium grade, thickness, and specialized box calf finish.
The finished leather is now loaded for its final journey to the atelier, the heart of our luxury production.
The journey ends at the atelier, the birthplace of high craftsmanship, where tradition and quality meet. The master leatherworker unpacks the finished box calf, ready to begin the precision cutting stage.
Design precision guides every step. The artisan meticulously reviews the sketch before beginning the cut.
Precision pattern placement ensures maximum yield and minimal waste of the high-grade leather. With practiced skill, the leather is manually cut, a precise action that guarantees a flawless, clean edge on every piece.
Skeeving reduces the leather's bulk, creating a clean, thin edge essential for flawless folding and stitching.
Pricking irons punch perfectly spaced holes, guaranteeing a consistent and aesthetically superior saddle stitch.
Traditional rocker punches are used to create precise holes for hardware and decorative features.
The leather is secured in the traditional stitching horse, providing the perfect tension and stability for the hand stitching process. The two-needle saddle stitch creates a beautiful and exceptionally durable seam, a signature of true artisanal quality. Detailing the intricate lacing with a roller tool provides a clean, smooth, and professional finished edge.
Industrial sewing machines are used for long components.
Each piece of solid brass hardware is individually and precisely fastened, securing the finest details of the design. Careful alignment of the zipper slider ensures a perfectly smooth and reliable operation, a necessary feature for daily use. Hot stamping permanently imprints the leather with the mark of the artisan, a signature of authenticity.
The final gold foil stamp confirms the premium provenance of the finished accessory, made in Italy.
The final structured leather handbag, a testament to the meticulous quality of every stage, from hide to hand-finished accessory. The final polish, ensuring a pristine, mirror-like finish on the hardware and the signature box calf leather.
Box calf, the perfect leather for the highest expression of artisanal craftsmanship.